I wanted to take a few quick moments to show you what kind of things you can do with QuickTime to create a movie recording. That is slightly different than a screencast, which is what I showed you in the previous lesson. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about movie recordings, which will utilize your webcam and your microphone. In QuickTime, you're going to go to the File menu and select New Movie Recording. Now this is going to be a little bit weird in a moment because it's going to bring up a new movie recording window. And in the process, you see me. Here I am. You can tell right away that it's ready to record, but it is not recording just yet. In fact, actually, it does not record until I click this red recording button. Now, once that happens, you can see the button changes from red circle to a square black box, and that would be your stop box. Once that's stopped, it obviously puts it into a place where it says, this is your movie recording, and you can move that around. You can preview it from red circle to a square black box, and that would be your... I always recommend that it's a good idea to give yourself a few seconds at the start of the video and at the end of the video before you click those buttons. That way you have some space in between for editing. And now let's talk about editing. As you can see here, I have a 30-second video that I've already created. But I had to walk away from my screen in order to get to where I wanted to be and walk back toward it in order to set up the video itself. So in order to trim the front end and the back end, I'm going to edit, and then I'm going to click on this trim command. That will allow me to move to the place where I want to begin. And like I said, I gave myself a little bit of time at the very beginning, and I can trim at the end by backing up. Oh, maybe I went too far, so I'm going to make sure that I don't go too far here. And I'll stop there. I can click the trim, and now you see my video is 23 seconds long. And the video starts with me in front of the camera, not right up at the very beginning of the camera, but already having walked away.